So you want to sell on Amazon? Well, Elvis and I have you covered. Hey guys, it's Poochie. I am going to show you how to sell on Amazon. The first thing you want to do, is to open an Amazon seller account. So I am here on sell.amazon.com/sell, which seems like a good place to, start, uh, to show you how to get an Amazon selling account. So if you have an Amazon account and you're buying stuff, you have Prime, you love it, that's not a seller's account. So what I first suggest you do is if you have an Amazon account, you keep it separate. So go to Google, sign up for a new Gmail account that will be your business account. You don't want to, I suggest at least, keeping your buying account and your selling account separate. Okay, so you're going to want to go and get a new uh, email or Gmail. Okay, and then you're going to want to have that be your business email, and you're going to keep that account separate from your buying account. Okay, so how to start? There are two different plans. This is a completely unscripted video, by the way, so if I screw up, which I know is going to happen, it probably has happened already, uh, then I'm just going to keep going, which is usually what I do. So I don't know how this is going to be different. Uh, you choose a selling plan first. They have the individual selling plan where if you're just selling stuff out of your home or a few items a month, that's what you want to do. If you want to be like me, you want to go for it and actually become an Amazon seller, which why are you watching this if you don't? You want to go with the pro plan that is $39.99 a month. There are several reasons for that. You don't pay the 99 cents for each item that sells with that plan, and also there are some softwares that do not work with unless you have the pro plan. Okay, so you're going to want the pro plan. You're also going to pay Amazon a referral fee on each sale, but you're not going to pay the 99 cents blanket fee every time you sell something. Okay, the toll fee or whatever. Uh, so this is consider your selling strategy. That's not for now. That's for later. Uh, what you need to do is, okay, you have to have the following: business email address, okay, which that's what I just said, or an Amazon customer account. Don't do that. Keep that separate. So your business email address, you're going to need an internationally chargeable credit card. So I'm talking to people in the United States. You're going to need a credit card, okay? You're going to need a government ID. That means a driver's license or a passport. Okay, you're going to need your tax information. Now, if you're going to actually be a business and get an employee identification number, then you're going to need to get that before you open your account. Okay, or if you're going to set up like an LLC or a corporation. If you're just going to do it personally, that's your social security number. Okay, you're going to need a phone number. You're going to need a bank account where Amazon can send you proceeds from your sales. Okay, there's one more thing you're going to need that they don't actually tell you here. You're going to need an address. Okay, your address on your ID, um, or your address on your account, you're going to have to be able to accept mail. So it's going to have to be someplace where you can actually get mail, because they're going to send you a postcard with a code. So you'll create your account and then you'll be limited until you enter in this code that they'll send you to your address through the mail. So that, I mean, it's as simple as that to open a selling account. There's other things here about adding your products, attracting customers after your first sale, whatever. You don't need that. All you need is uh, a new Gmail address. Okay. You need an ID, an address, um, that you can have that postcard sent to you for verification. You need a credit card. You need your tax information, social security or EIN number if you're a business, phone number, and then a bank account where Amazon can send proceeds. Now, if you've ever had an Amazon seller account before, okay, it is extremely important that you do not enter any information in here that you have had on a previous selling account. So if you have been Bob at autoparts.com before on Amazon, okay, and now you're going to be Bob at candles.com, right? You want to make sure that your credit card and your address and your social security number or your tax information, your EIN, or your phone number or your bank account is all different. You do not want to tie two accounts together on Amazon. Whether your previous Amazon selling account has had any problems or not, you do not want to tie Amazon seller accounts together. Amazon technically says you're only supposed to have one seller account. You can get approved to have multiple seller accounts, but I just want to make sure that when you sign up for account, make sure nothing ties you to another account. If you're married and you're using a joint credit card, don't use the credit card that your husband or wife has used on their Amazon selling account. Okay, so that's what you need to do. That is step number one. I will be back for step number two, etc. But that'll get you started. So I'm Poochie, and we're keeping it real.